So good day. Good day, everyone. So today we're going to answer exercise 1.4. So it says that the density of gold is 19.3 grams per cubic meter. So what is the value of kilograms per cubic meters? Okay, so take note that the the density is equal to the mass uh, over the volume. Okay. So convert, which is equal to 19.3 grams per centimeter cube. Okay. Uh, we're gonna convert this value into uh, kilograms per cubic meters. Okay. So we have 19.3 for the solution, 19.3 grams per centimeter cube. This is equal to 19.3 grams per, we can write like this, cubic centimeter. We multiplied it by a conversion factor. So we know that 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, we now have grams per cubic centimeter. Okay. However, to make it cubic meters, we know that uh, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Since this is in cubic, we can put this cube here so that when we have a centimeter cube over meter, we cube this multiplied by a centimeter cube. So it becomes the centimeter cube. I mean, uh, 1 over centimeter cube over meter cube multiplied by 1 over centimeter cube. So we can cancel this one and we're left with cubic meters. Okay. So so we can cancel this out and this unit here. So this is the explanation for that. So to do our calculations, we have 19.3 multiplied by 100 cube. We divide this one by 1,000. So our answer is 19,300 kilograms per cubic meters. Okay, in three significant figures, so this will become 1.93. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 to the 4 kilograms per cubic meter. So that is the density of gold in kilograms per cubic meter. So thank you for listening and see you in my next videos.